Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at the cryptocurrency market, analyze a few instruments, and highlight the key points that I hope will help you make informed trading decisions. And we'll start today with Bitcoin. Looking at the monthly chart, practically nothing has changed since the last review. After a prolonged decline, the price has approached the lower boundary of the ascending channel and is attempting to grow. We can still expect buying to resume and the price to continue moving within the ascending trend, but at the moment, there is absolutely no buying volume. The current price movement is driven by the reaction of retail traders who see the touch of the channel's lower boundary and are buying in hopes of growth. As I said earlier, yes, growth is theoretically possible up to $90,000, but for that, we need at least some volume. I am more inclined towards a further drop in price. Next, let's move on to the daily chart. Not much has changed since the last episode. The price continues to be in a sideways movement. Previously, I noted a key level in the range of $70,000 per coin. It is precisely this level that will determine the future fate of the price movement. If the price manages to approach it, then the reaction at this level will give us a clearer understanding of the asset's future price movement. If the level's broken and the price consolidates above it, then I'll expect continued growth with a target of $90,000. If, however, the price continues to be pushed down from this level, then I will expect further movement down to $50,000 and most likely even to $40,000. Based on these assumptions, I'll keep my chart expectations in place. Therefore, for those in long positions, pay attention to the price behavior around $70,000. If strong selling resumes at this level, it won't lead to anything good. Those who are in short positions will most likely suffer losses up to the same level. The prospects for this position are very good. As I said, it is more likely that the price will be pushed lower, and in my opinion, this could happen even from current values without reaching the $70,000 level. Next is Ethereum and its monthly chart. The price continues to move within a global sideways trend. The price has come to test the previous manipulation, but I don't see any reaction from buyers. Their volumes are still insignificant, and in such quantities, they cannot turn the market around. On the daily chart, the price has approached the designated area from which I expect a resumption of selling, but so far, I don't see any significant reaction in either direction. So I will reiterate my thoughts. If the price does not break through this level, I'll expect a further decline in the asset with a first target of $1,100 per coin and a final target of $875 per coin, which corresponds to the lower boundary of the monthly chart sideways range. If the $2,000 level is broken, then a price movement with a target of $3,000 will be more likely. I hope that in the next review, we will analyze the situation in detail with new data, but for now, I am keeping my chart expectations in place. Therefore, for those who are in a long position, I can't say anything positive. The asset can only continue its growth after breaking through and consolidating above the $2,200 level. The main expectation is a continued decline. For those in a short position, as I said before, I expect the asset to continue falling, so I consider this position a priority. Next is XRP and its monthly chart. The price continues to move within a global sideways range, and recently, similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, selling has prevailed, which may indicate a further decline in price toward the lower boundary of the range. For now, this is the priority direction. Next, let's move to the daily chart. Since the last review, nothing has changed here either. The price continues to move sideways and has currently approached its lower boundary. And the latest movement, selling volumes are increasing, and breaking through this low is, in my opinion, just a matter of time. For now, everything points to a continued decline for the asset, with a near-term target of 75 cents per coin. If the price does reverse, then a global uptrend for the asset is only possible after breaking through the level mentioned above. I repeat, the overall market sentiment at the moment is bearish. I am maintaining my chart expectations. Therefore, for those in a long position, the prospects for the asset's growth are currently very slim. Only after the price breaks above the indicated level can further growth be expected. For those in a short position, the position most likely has every chance of turning a good profit. The invalidation for this position is a breakout in price consolidation above the local high. To sum up, just like last time, I can say that the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market continues to be pessimistic, and at the moment, nothing points to growth. Well, that's roughly the development of events I'm anticipating, and if you think otherwise, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. I hope I was very helpful, and don't forget, we propose, but the market disposes.